Hello and good day to the judges of International Innovation and Invention New Worldwide Education 2023.
My name is Fikri Berdausi.
My name is Sabri Maulana.
My name is Faiz Muhammad.
My name is Pram Pradipta.
And my name is Huda Ismail.
We are from
Transcends Muhammadiyah Senior High School.
and we'll be presenting our product under the title
Copper.
Paper made from goat manure waste as an alternative solution to the degradation forest area in helping SDGs in Indonesia. Let's go to the background.
Indonesia is one of many countries with many natural wealth. Indonesia is ranked 8th in the world with the largest forest area that is about 97 million hectares. Between 2017 and 2021, the forest area in Indonesia has increased about 950,000 hectares. The Sustainable Development Goals or SDGs were adopted by the United Nations in 2015 as a universal call to action to protect the earth. Indonesia is one of the countries that support SDGs, especially one of the goals that is to conserve the forest area. Paper industries are one of many industries that have many positive effects on the economy of Indonesia. Paper production in Indonesia generates a total of $3,544. Indonesia is also one of the countries popular with goat farming. Between 2016 and 2020, the population of goats in Indonesia is around 25 million. With that, causes an accumulation of goat manure waste in Indonesia. As we know, the process of making paper is to need cellulose that is contained in trees. And because of that, with the growth of the industrial paper, many of the forest area will decrease rapidly. It is not in accordance with one of the Sustainable Development Goals, that is protecting, restoring, and increasing sustainable use of land ecosystem, managing forests sustainably, stopping deforestation, and stopping biodiversity loss. Indonesia has a problem of an accumulation of goat manure waste. It is researched that goat manure is a material that contains a high level of cellulose. So, we came with an innovative idea with the title Paper Innovation from Goat Manure Waste as an alternative solution to the problem of decreasing forest area in Indonesia.
The objective of this research is first, to make paper made from goat manure waste with the name Comber. Second, to know the potential of Comber in being an alternative solution to the decreasing forest area in Indonesia, in helping SDGs in Indonesia. This research is conducted at SMA Transcend Muhammadiyah Sragen, Central Java, Indonesia in September to November 2023. The type of research is descriptive with a quantitative approach. Our focus is to make paper made from goat manure waste as an alternative solution to the decreasing forest area in Indonesia. Data collection is obtained through literature studies in the form of looking for sources from journals and articles related to these research experiments. That is making paper from goat manure waste and the last observation. We experimented 3 Comber samples with composition of sodium hydroxide, that is 5%, 10%, and 15%, to see the best composition of sodium hydroxide and observe the Comber test with opaque paper parameters. There are also a few test criteria. First, organoleptic test, that is to test the product based on color, aroma, texture, and durability, with giving Comber samples to 30 untrained panelists. Second, pH test, to know the pH level of the pulp according to the SNI. Last, anti-termite test, to test and see if Comber can resist against termites by placing a sample into a bucket with 20 termites inside for 24 hours. This is our product result, that is Gomper. From the organoleptic test showed that the best result of composition is the 15% sodium hydroxide. But the details that Gomper has a bright color, aroma of marked lime leaf, a smooth texture, and a strong durability. From the pH test, Gomper had a pH level of 7 that have passed the SNI that is between 6 to 9. From the anti-termite test, Gomper can resist against termites showed with the result of no damage to the paper when left for 24 hours.
When 3 Gomper samples were each experimented with the sodium hydroxide of 5%, 10%, and 15%, it is found that Gomper is best made with a 15% composition of sodium hydroxide.
We know that the forest area in Indonesia is decreasing about 100,000 hectares per year. It is known that an average forest area can contain about 1,600 trees per hectare, and the minimum age of one tree before it cut down is about 40 years, and can produce about 80,500 of A4 paper. Indonesia has an increasing population of goats of around 25 million. That cause an accumulation of goat manure waste in Indonesia, with one goat can release about 1 kilogram of manure per day. It is known that one A4 sheet of Gomper requires 18 grams of goat manure, so one goat with its manure can produce about 55.5 sheets of Gomper per day. For 1 year, it can produce about 20,277 sheets, and for 40 years, that is the minimum age of a tree that can be cut down, can produce about 811,111 sheets of Gomper. If we calculate with the whole goat population in Indonesia, assuming that we can take and manage the manure of all goats in Indonesia, we will have about around 507 billion sheets of Gomper produced per year. This is equivalent of about 3,935.9 hectares of forest area. So, with the final calculation, Gomper can cover about 3.93% of the decreasing forest area in Indonesia per year.
We can conclude from this research that it has been made Gomper, paper innovation from goat manure waste, as an alternative solution to the problem of decreasing forest area in Indonesia. They have passed all test criteria: the organoleptic test, pH test, and anti-termite test. The composition of 15% sodium hydroxide is found to produce the best Gomper sample. Gomper has also been proven an effective paper product potential of covering the decreasing forest area in helping SDGs in Indonesia, which can cover 3.93% of the decreasing forest area per year.
Okay, judges, that's all from us. Thanks for watching video. Goodbye.